Very good afternoon, respected Chief Guest sir is here to join us. Our Zone Vice President Nilesh Lanjewar sir. Judges for our today's very exciting debate. JC Deep Gajbe sir, Zone Director Training, Zone 9 JCI India. Zone Director PR Smita Pakmode Madam. Um, and our IPP, I just mentioned here, and all the participants, the debaters, the very dynamic debaters, and the participants who have joined us for our today's very exciting debate by the Junior JC wing of JC and Nagpur Medico. We all know that the Junior JC wing and all the students were very busy with their studies for their examinations, but for some reason they have been postponed. But still, the studies are on. And as said, that only work and no play makes us dull and grey. The Junior JC wing of JC and Nagpur Medico has come up with this some of the programs, very exciting programs, which will definitely help you just relax a bit in between your examinations. The topics for debate are very exciting, and to just start with, I would like to invite Junior JC Chairperson Sanjana Agrawal for the further proceedings. Over to you, Sanjana.
Thank you, ma'am. The art of communication is the language of leadership. By this code, good afternoon to everyone. I welcome you all to today's debate-a-thon. The esteemed judges and our President Swati Sada ma'am and all the participants. Now, as our chief guest will be joining us in some while, till then we'll start the introduction of our judges. For the introduction of judges, I request the project director JC Sagarika Limai to kindly introduce our judges. Over to you, Sagarika.
Thank you, Sanjana. It is said that knowledge is the biggest asset of life, and the implementation of knowledge in the right direction will optimize your success. Believer in this philosophy, I take the honor to introduce our today's first judge, JC Deep Gajbee sir. He is the Zone Director Training. He became a part of JCI in 2013. He was ZTW's outstanding participant in 2016, President in 2017, and a National Trainer in 2018. He has conducted around 100 plus trainings as of today. An influencer having over 10K followers across all the social media platforms. He is managing more than 2,000 plus clients with 65 Indian and 35 global cities. He is running a successful company, fintech company called Imperial Finsol Private Limited. I heartily welcome you, sir.
Thank you, Sagarika. Thank you very much.
Our second judge for today, our beloved Dr. Smita Pakmode ma'am. It is a great honor as well as pleasure to introduce you, ma'am. She is the Zone Director Public Relations 2020. She was immediate past President JCI Nagpur Medico. Professionally, she is Associate Professor, Department of Biochemistry at MKP SIMS and RC Nagpur. She has 2 international and 4 national publications to her credit. Apart from this, she is an excellent dancer, poet, and a speaker. As a JC, she has won Super Platinum Trophy for Maximum Program Conduction, winner of the Best PR Program of Zone 9. She has won a total of 29 awards and 6 national president recognitions. She is the winner of Mr. and Miss Medico 2015. I welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sagarika, for the wonderful introduction of our judges. Hearty welcome to Deep Gajbee sir and Smita Pakmode ma'am. Swati ma'am, as the sir is not joined, should I start with the session?
Yeah, we'll start with the session. He'll join in under 10 minutes. He was driving, I guess. So let's not hurry up with him. We'll start this.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. So before starting, I will just brief.
Deep sir wants to say so. Sir, you can unmute yourself. I wanted to say, sir, you're audible. We recognize the presence of our past president, Dr. Sachin Devkar, sir. We welcome you, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Hello, Devkar, sir.
Let's go ahead.
Thank you, President, madam.
Welcome, sir.
Should I start? Okay. So before starting, So before starting the session, I will first brief all the participants with the rule. The first rule is that every participant will get 3 minutes and a first bell will be ring by 2 minutes 30 seconds just to inform you that your time has been over, and the second bell will be ring after 3 minutes. Every participant for the topic will be speaking for 3 minutes, and after one topic we will have the rebuttal round of 1 minute to each participant. And the language you can speak is Hindi or English. The timer will be operated by JC Sagrika Limai and with the help of JC Asta Jatar. So I hope you both are ready with the timer. So let's begin with the debate competition. And the first topic we will be coming is lockdown, boon or curse. So our first participant is JC Shreyas Ohale.
Sanjay, before going ahead, we'll request our respected judges if they're okay with the criteria, or shall we add that anything to this?
Okay.
Okay.
So now I would like to call our first participant, JC Shreyas Ohale, final year BDA student, and he will be speaking for lockdown boon. Over to you, Shreyas. Kindly unmute yourself.
Thank you, Sanjana.
Wait, Shreyas, Sagrika, are you ready with the timer? Sagrika? I think there is a network issue with Sagrika. Asta, are you ready with the timer?
I got it. Yep.
Okay. So, Asta, just show your timer so that Shreyas can start.
Okay. So we begin in 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Shreyas Ohale. I'm here to speak in favor of the topic lockdown boom. In these times of the corona pandemic, social distancing is popularized in practice. But when the population fails to do so, the last resort is remaining, which is the lockdown. Lockdown is considered to break the chain and decrease the rise of coronavirus. As we all know that the countries like India, where there is lack of infrastructure, it has given us time for the government to prepare. As you know, currently, government of India had built largest COVID center in Delhi, which has capacity of 10,000 beds. It wasn't built in a day. It took time, and this time was given due to lockdown. The ICMR has the time to prepare rapid and antigen test kits, even to start for the necessary research for the vaccines. Which also, and in today's present scenario, we're having trials. This wasn't done in a day. It needed certain research. It needed time. This time was bought due to lockdown. Now, certain Indian companies have started preparing PPE kits, ventilators, sanitizers. Earlier, these were imported from China, that too of a subgraded quality. This has done. This is in boon in this sense. In the case of education, e-learning has opened certain new avenues. We are able to attend guest lectures, master classes, and webinars at the comfort of our home. I'll put forward certain cases or case studies. Let's take an example of South Korea, which had famous patient number 31, who had infected more than 1,300 people. The South Korean authorities had to surveillance more than 292,000 people in these times, which is quite a challenge. It shows that how this affect a large number of people. And we'll put forward case number second, which is earlier Donald Trump, the president of United States, was against the lockdown. This has caused US to suffer, and today is highest confirmed cases of more than 45 lakh people.
30 seconds,
and confirmed death
30 seconds left.
Death of 1,53,000 people. In Brazil, President Bolsonaro is the biggest critic of lockdown and has been organizing rallies in support of anti-lockdown elements. It has caused Brazil more than 25 lakh active cases and 90,000 deaths. Now let's come to our country, India.
3 minutes are up.
Lockdown.
3 minutes are up.
Shreya's very good points. Nice speak. So let's move towards the next participant for the same topic. I call upon Aditi.
Sanjana,
Aditi, yes,
Sanjana,
ma'am. Yes,
I
ma'am.
have a suggestion. Like rather than like stating ki 3 minutes, 30 seconds are left or it's over. Can we have a bail or just show her timer so that she will not get interrupted?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
So at least for 30 seconds, show the timer, and at the end, okay, it then
Sure,
interruption.
ma'am.
But at first,
Okay.
इसमें नहीं होना चाहिए.
Okay, okay.
Sure, ma'am.
Sure. I hope Sagarika and Asta are clear with this.
Yes, ma'am.
So, ma'am, can I move to the next participant? The next participant is Aditi Pinjarkar, second year BDA student. She will be speaking on topic lockdown occurs. Aditi, unmute yourself.
Sanjana, one more thing. Like if they are passing their time limits, but at least let them conclude. है ना, उनके मार्क्स डिडक्ट हो जाएंगे फॉर टाइम नॉट फॉलोइंग द टाइम, बट एटलीस्ट उनके पॉइंट क्लियर हो जाएगी व्हाट दे वांट टू कन्वे. इज इट ओके स्वाति?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, yes, definitely. Where is Aditi? I can't find her.
Ma'am, Aditi is here.
I'm here. Can
Okay.
everybody hear me?
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Audible, Aditi. Asta, are you ready?
Yep.
Aditi, you can start.
You okay? Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Aditi Pindikar. I am here today to present my argument on how the lockdown has been a curse. For a minute, I'd like to take you all back to 10th grade when we first came across the definitions of disease and health. Disease, as the word suggests, means to be not at ease. But if you remember, health or being healthy does not equate to mere absence of disease or infirmity. It is in fact interpreted as an individual's complete physical, mental, and social well-being. Now that we have that in mind, I'd like to present my contentions. I remember back in March when we all went back home, including myself, with the delusion that this will be over in 21 days. But boy, were we wrong about that. This lockdown has left people stranded in different cities, countries, even their own homes, with only their solitude for company. I'm sure my fellow social media users have seen a video making rounds over the internet. An actor giving a monologue about a student, Mukund Mishra, and how he fell into depression. This monologue became so famous so soon because it hit too close to home. Empty mind is a devil's workshop. People suffering from anxiety, depression, and other such mental issues have been some of the worst hit. With the news media outlets sensationalizing every piece of news, making mass hysteria and paranoia a major problem as well. Such isolation, touch deprivation, lack of external stimulus for the mind has been detrimental for a large group of people. Even the education system is suffering. Most schools and colleges have shifted to an online mode with the assumption that everyone has a stable internet connection. Even I am borrowing my neighbor's internet today because mine stopped working. One might argue that I asked, what about the domestic abuse that has almost doubled? You might tell me how the lockdown has benefited the environment, and benefited the environment. And I agree. Seeing the mother nature heal was the most gratifying thing. But is locking up humans in their houses the only solution to that problem? However, of all the problems I mentioned, Indian economy has taken the worst hit. India is set to record a contraction in GDP of 4.5% in the current fiscal year. It has been reported that over 100 million people have lost their jobs, salaries have been cut, people's savings are getting exhausted. All of this is only increasing the economic disparities. At least 49 million people across the world are expected to plunge into extreme poverty, out of which around 12 million are expected to be our own Indian citizens. A recent study estimates 104 million Indians could
3
fall
minutes are up.
below the World Bank's determined. I'll just conclude. determine poverty line. This will take the proportion of people living in poverty from 60 more than a decade ago. In the course of a few months, the lockdown has become the worst nightmare of many and hence has compromised our health. Thank you.
Aditi, your words were extremely good. We enjoyed a lot. So now we'll start with the rebuttal round. Okay, Swati ma'am? So for the rebuttal round, you will be getting 1 minute and the final bell will be ring after 1 minute. Okay. So starting first with the Shreyas. Shreyas?
Hello.
Yeah, Shreyas. Okay. Asta, ready?
Yep. How much time is it?
1 minute.
1 minute?
Yeah.
Okay.
Shreyas' video is not on. Oh, yeah.
Yes,
Am I
wait a minute.
supposed to ask the question first or yes?
Swati ma'am?
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, Aditi is asking that first she will be asking question or Shreyas?
Shreyas.
Okay. Shreyas?
Rebuttal is okay. He has to put his. He has to cross the points of Aditi. So.
Yeah. Yeah. Aditi, answer.
First, I will cross the questions, or whether she will cross the questions.
You have to cross her points. What she has spoke right now. Okay. Shreyas, are you ready? Yeah. Asta, ready?
Yep. Should I start?
Yeah. Shreyas, she is starting.
As my fellow contestants once said, what about the economic depression? I would like to ask her a question. That is this the first time we humans are experiencing economic depression? We were having economic depression in 2008. We had a great depression in 1929. We humans had this ability to survive, to have the spirit of humanity, and I think we can cope with it.
Okay, I agree with you on that, but we had this lockdown so that we can protect people, save people from the virus. If our own economy is going to dwindle down, I think more people will, from unemployment, from depression, from starvation, because they won't have much income coming in from unemployment. I think
1
that
minute
will
up.
be another kind of pandemic happening,
Okay,
much bigger than this one.
Okay.
1 minute up.
Okay. Okay. You have to just cross the points. You don't need to ask the question. I hope I'm clear.
Fine.
Okay. Is it okay with the judges?
1 minute is 1 minute is for them, including.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute is for the one participant to just cross the points of the other participants. Just
Like she jump in between.
yeah. So actually, I didn't interrupted in between.
Shreyas didn't get chance to complete
Yeah,
his.
yeah. So, ma'am, should I give Shreyas 1 minute more to complete his points?
Yes.
Okay.
Ask Deep sir, please.
Deep, sir. Sir. Okay.
Deep.
Shreyas, you have to just cross the points of your contestant, opponent contestant. Okay. So we will be giving you 1 more minute, and
Yes.
you can continue. Okay. Shreyas, ready? Asta, ready?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah. Start.
Already have completed 1 more. So should I start from beginning, or should I start from
Yeah.
other points?
You have 1 minute. Whatever points you want to put up, you can put. Smita ma'am, unmute yourself.
Ma'am.
Give both of
Smita
them
ma'am.
30 seconds again so that they can complete. 30 seconds to Shreyas and 30 seconds to Asta separately.
Ma'am, so shall I start from? Ma'am, shall I start from right from first point, or shall I continue from where I have left?
Points you cover. Remaining points you cover. Okay.
Asta, take a note.
Okay, ma'am.
30 seconds for Shreya Shreyas, okay?
Shreyas and okay.
30 seconds.
I'll be displaying it as I tell you.
Yeah.
I would like to also add a remark that in e-learning there are certain colleges who are providing e-resource. Even Maharashtra University of Health Sciences is providing resources. There are certain steps which are taken by the government. Earlier, what we thought was e-learning was quite a developed country kind of thing. Today, countries like developing countries like India is putting a
30
step
seconds.
forward. I don't think it should be.
Yes, timer. Okay. Now, Aditi, you need to cross the points and you will be getting 30 seconds for the same. Okay? Okay. Asta?
Start.
As you mentioned in the point earlier that e-learning is more of a developed country thing, because in India we are still not able to provide everyone with a stable internet connection. As I mentioned, even I don't have one today. In remote places, learning places, even the kind of schools that my mother teaches in, they have problems. They don't have internet, they don't have technology. So yes, lockdown has been helpful in controlling the
30
pandemic.
seconds up.
Aditi? You're done.
Can I counter it?
No. Shreyas, your time is up. Are the judges okay, or should we have any changes in the rules? Meeta ma'am,
Let's form a policy that rebuttal is 1 minute for each contestant. Okay, and whatever points you want to cross, you have to take from the speech of that participant. So it's not the ongoing process. It's only one time chance you are getting. So please concentrate on your opponent's remark. Take down points from there and then try to cross them. Okay. So 1 minute for each participant for later on. Okay.
I hope all the participants are clear with the instructions. And if you have any doubt, just use the chat box. Any one of us will reply to you. Should I move toward the next topic? Judges? Okay. The next topic is e-learning help me or not. For that topic, the first participant coming is JC Anusha Devase, second year MBBS student, and she will be speaking that e-learning helps me. Anusha, unmute yourself.
Very good afternoon, everyone.
Anusha, let Asta be ready with the timer. Asta, ready?
Are you ready? Okay, yeah. I'm ready. Okay, let's start.
Very good afternoon, everyone. It was Winston Churchill who said that learning is an experience and everything else is just simply information. Now imagine having this experience sitting at a comfortable spot in comfortable clothes with everything that you need just an arm reach away, which is exactly what e-learning offers, making learning not only a great experience, but what is backed by several researchers, an extremely productive one. And all of this has compelled me to believe in fact that e-learning actually does help all of us and is definitely a better choice. And now, before I convert each one of you present here into believers, let's just see what exactly e-learning is. It can be simply defined as a comprehensive learning system that involves interactive live or recorded lessons, assignments, and study tools, or anything that helps to get a better impact via electronic means. And now that we have covered that, let's list out why e-learning is truly great. The first factor that makes e-learning actually very helpful is accessibility. E-learning can be accessed by anyone, anywhere, and at any time, and more not just the learners. It makes also life easier for the online instructors who can teach from anywhere without traveling. And the current pandemic situation that we are in just is a perfect testament to how important accessible e-learning is. Just imagine, without that, all of us here would be without an education for over a year. The next comes flexibility. It is one of the greatest benefits that e-learning offers, that learners can learn stuff at their own pace. faster or slower depending upon their individual needs. And next comes the access that once we have access to all these resources, we can always go back and review the tricky lessons and enhance our understanding of the topic. The next comes just how economic e-learning is. I mean, as of today, we have billions of resources online which are available at free of cost and for every subject that is out there. So, to conclude, e-learning has come up as a savior for all of us that is helping us to access good knowledge, even while not being stopped or hindered by problems like geographical location, absence of time, and the most important of all, the absence of resources. Thank you.
Nice speech, Anusha. Very great. Moving towards the next participant, Pragati Agrawal, final year BDA student. She will be speaking on e-learning does not helps me. Are you ready, Pragati?
Yes. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yes.
Asta, ready?
Yep. Let's start in 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. So to build up a new thing, we need resources. And for building up and making it successful, the e-learning, we need resources such as electricity, internet connection, and smart gadgets. Now, according to this survey, in 20% of the Indian households, we have received only 8 hours of electric supply. And in 47% of the Indian households, more than 12 hours, which is still less than 50%. And only 30% of the Indian people have accessibility to the smart gadgets, which is still 1/3. So how can we rely on e-learning? And for online classes to be, developing and accessing properly, we need continuous connectivity. And during this pandemic situation, it has been noted that there has been a decrease of 18% of the mobile speed, not only in India, but also worldwide. Now, most of the teachers, they never taught online, and even students, they are not acquainted with the procedure. So this is the biggest challenge for both students as well as teachers. Now, what is learning? Learning not only means studying and getting good marks, it also helps in developing our personality, such as to be punctual, to be active, not to be lazy, to be disciplined. Learning needs a proper peaceful environment and a separate room, which may not be challenging for people like us, like middle and upper class students. But what about poor students? Poor parents send their children to schools just to provide them that environment. They are not able to provide that at home. Now, do you remember the assignments which our teacher gave during the pandemic? What most of the students did? They just copied and pasted and send it to the teachers. Isn't it making us lazy? There has been an increase in the digital divide according to the class, gender, and many more. So, according to me, e-learning can be a temporary solution, but not a permanent one. Thank you.
Wow, Pragati. What a good points you have put up. So now it's the time for the rebuttal. I hope both the participants are ready. So first, Anusha. Unmute yourself, Anusha.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, 1 minute you will be getting. Asta, ready?
Yep.
Okay. So start.
Well, you talked about electric supply and the availability of smart gadgets in the lower income strata of the society. But it is a fact that as of today, everyone, literally everyone, roams around with a smartphone. And trust me when I say this, better smartphones than you and I have. And then you talked about the issue of connectivity. Well, we are in at a time when we have the option of pre-recorded lectures. And
Done,
they can
30
be...
seconds done.
Okay, Asta,
I had a minute.
Asta, 1 minute for one
Is it a
participant.
minute?
Yeah, it is a minute.
Okay, I thought it was 30 seconds each, like we had
No,
like
no,
last time.
that was a problem because we have the question answer in between. That's why we have shifted 30-30. But it will be
Pardon me. My fault, my bad. I'm sorry. Please, Anusha, continue.
Yeah, then you talked about connectivity. So we are at a time when pre-recorded lectures are easily made available to anyone and everyone. And for e-learning, you don't need a fancy knick-knack to learn. You just simply need a cell phone, and which everyone has. Then you talked about traditional learning, but don't we have to change with the times now? Accept the change.
Done 1 minute.
okay. Pragati,
Yeah. So you said that.
Asta,
Should I
A
start?
minute.
one
Yeah,
minute.
yeah, yeah. Go on, go
Yeah.
on.
Okay. Good. So you said that like most of us have smartphones, but according to this survey, only 8% of the Indian population they have both computers, which includes every smartphone and an internet connection. Don't you think this is very less number? And now that accessibility. Now, what about the mental physical health? The people they have the increased screen time. This is leading to the eye issues, ear issues, and even headache issues. So is the physical and mental health not important than e-learning technique? And in ancient time also, there was no e-learning, but students and the people they were learning and they were becoming successful. So don't you think traditional learning is more beneficial than e-learning? Thank you.
Okay. Uh, so moving towards the last topic for the debate, and I think the most interesting topic everyone will be waiting to listen is calling the participant is Priyanka S. Priyanka,
Yes, I'm there.
yeah. So Priyanka is a third year BBA student and she will be speaking movie Thappad Itni Si Baat True. Asta ready?
Yep.
Priyanka
Is
ready?
she ready?
Priyanka,
Yes.
are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm starting.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm going to speak on the movie Thappad Itni Si Baat है या नहीं. I'm going for इतनी सी बात है. First of all, मैं start करूंगी कि मैं थप्पड़ को किसी फिजिकल फॉर्म में नहीं बल्कि एक बहस के तौर पर देखना चाहूंगी, क्योंकि हमने देखा है कि थप्पड़ की वजह से डिवोर्स देना ये कोई ज्यादा बड़ी बात हो गई है. और हमने ये भी देखा है इस मूवी में, दिया मिर्जा एक डायलॉग बोलती है, रिश्ते बनाने में उतनी एफर्ट नहीं लगती जितनी उसे निभाने में लगती है. और इस तरह देखा जाए तो एक थप्पड़ की वजह से किसी को डिवोर्स देना मतलब ये सही बात तो बिल्कुल नहीं हुई. और हमने ये भी देखा है कि तापसी पन्नू की जो माँ है, वो तापसी पन्नू उसके ससुराल छोड़कर अपने घर आती है, तो फिर उसकी माँ तापसी पन्नू की फादर को बोलती है कि अब ये देखना रह गया था कि अभी बेटी डाइवोर्स करेगी. मतलब फिर हमें ये पता चलता है कि वो माँ ने कि हमारी बेटी डाइवोर्स करे, तो क्योंकि डाइवोर्स की वजह से उसकी पूरी जिंदगी बर्बाद हो जाएगी, अच्छी बात भी नहीं है. और पति पत्नी के बीच में पति पत्नी के बीच में अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए. उस हीरो ने भले ही पूरे पार्टी में थप्पड़ मारा, हाँ हर्ट तो होगी उसकी पत्नी, लेकिन फिर भी उसको रियलाइज नहीं हुआ उस हीरो को उस थप्पड़ के बाद कि मुझे नहीं मारना चाहिए था. उसको रियलाइज तब हुआ जब पूरी फिल्म खत्म हो गई. उसको एंड में रियलाइज हुआ कि हाँ मुझे थप्पड़ नहीं मारना चाहिए था. जाहिर सी बात है उसको रियलाइज हो जाए पहले कि मुझे थप्पड़ नहीं मारना चाहिए.
What happened?
I think her network issue is there. Ma'am, what should I do, Swati ma'am?
She has joined, I think. She has reached. Priyanka, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Priyanka, continue.
Priyanka,
I'll start from 2 minutes 11 seconds.
yeah. Wait a minute.
Sorry, it was disconnected. Sorry, it was disconnected due to network issue.
Yeah.
I was on the point that, is it audible?
Yeah. Priyanka,
Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah.
I was on the point that कि husband और wife के बीच में एक understanding होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि उनको एक बहुत लंबा सफर तय करना पड़ता है और छोटी छोटी बातें, हाँ पार्टी के सामने थप्पड़ मारना कोई छोटी बात नहीं है, लेकिन इससे हमें ये दिखता है कि उस हस्बैंड को अपने वाइफ के लिए उसके अंदर एक ट्रू लव नहीं था। अगर होता तो अगले दिन सुबह वो अपनी पत्नी को बोलता कि सॉरी, मुझे मैं तब परेशानी में था, मेरा दिमाग बैलेंस में नहीं था, लेकिन फिर भी उस हस्बैंड ने अपनी वाइफ को सुबह बोला भी नहीं, कि सॉरी भी नहीं बोल रहा है, वो सबको सॉरी बोल रहा है, अपने बॉस को सॉरी बोल रहा है, सबको बोल रहा है, लेकिन अपनी पत्नी को कौन सॉरी बोलेगा? वो पूरा मूवी खत्म होने के बाद उसको रियलाइज होता है कि हाँ मैंने गलत काम किया, और दिस इज नॉट फेयर। एंड
3 minutes.
Priyanka, if you want to complete, you can complete your part.
सबसे बड़ी बात ये होती है कि किसी रिश्ते को निभाने के लिए हमें अपनी एफर्ट देनी पड़ती है, हमें अपना ट्रू लव देना पड़ता है, हमें अपनी बहुत कुछ चाहिए होता है। ऐसा नहीं है कि बस एक थप्पड़ की वजह से ऐसा हुआ तो कोर्ट के आगे लंबी लाइन लग जाएगी, क्योंकि हमने देखा है कि हमारी सोसाइटी में बहुत सारी फैमिलीज में ऐसा होता है, और हस्बैंड और वाइफ को अंडरस्टैंड करना चाहिए एक दूसरे को कि हाँ ये जैसी है मैंने उसको एक्सेप्ट किया है, और इसने मैं जैसा हूँ मुझे एक्सेप्ट किया है, लेकिन फिर भी गुस्से में इंसान कुछ भी बोल देता है, हम एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी दिमाग ठंडा होने के बाद उस हीरो को उसको सॉरी बोल देना चाहिए था। और मेरा पॉइंट ये है कि एक थप्पड़ की वजह से सिर्फ किसी को डाइवोर्स देना नहीं चाहिए, और ये काफी अनरियलिस्टिक है, और रियल में ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है कि किसी मतलब एक थप्पड़ की वजह से डिवोर्स दे, ऐसा कभी हमने सुना नहीं है। इनफैक्ट द लॉयर इन द फिल्म खुद बोलते हैं उस हीरोइन को कि तुम्हारा मतलब तुम्हारे हस्बैंड को अफेयर है क्या, तुम्हारी फैमिली को इशू है क्या?
Don't extend your point. Come to the conclusion. You are already exceeding your time limit.
My main point is that अगर सभी वाइफ अपने हस्बैंड को एक थप्पड़ की वजह से डिवोर्स देने लगे तो इसका इम्पैक्ट सोसाइटी में क्या पड़ेगा? कि यही कि हमें थप्पड़ की वजह से हस्बैंड को डिवोर्स देना चाहिए। दिस इज नॉट गुड, क्योंकि थप्पड़ किसी रिश्ते को ये नहीं कर सकती। रिश्ते को करने के लिए हमें खुद कमिटेड होना चाहिए एक दूसरे के प्रति, क्योंकि अगर खुद हम अपने आप को एक माँ की तरह समझे, तो अगर सपोज हमारी ताप्सी हमारी बेटी होती तो हम उसको बिल्कुल नहीं बोलते कि थप्पड़ की वजह से तो जाके उसको डाइवोर्स दे दे, क्योंकि हम उसको समझते हैं, हमारी अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है, हम उसकी केयर करते हैं। अगर हमारी बेटी हुई तो हम उसकी केयर करेंगे, उसको बोलेंगे कि बेटा अप्स एंड डाउन होते हैं अपने लाइफ में, लेकिन इस तरह कोई मतलब
Priyanka, it's almost 2 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yeah, it's almost 5 minutes. I hope you don't mind stopping you in between. Very good speech, Priyanka. Thank you. Moving forward, calling on the next participant is Tushar Singh, final year BDA student. He will be speaking on the topic movie Thappad Itni Si Baat False. Tushar.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, I'm starting.
तो आज 21वीं सदी में हम क्या बातें करते हैं? वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट, वुमेन राइट्स, महिलाओं का अधिकार, बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ, पर क्या हमारे समाज में पुरुषों द्वारा सच में महिलाओं को उनकी इज्जत, अधिकार, मान सम्मान मिला है? शायद मुझे इसका जवाब आपको देने की जरूरत नहीं, आपको पता है इसका जवाब क्या है। बहरहाल चलिए मूवी थप्पड़ की ही बात कर लेते हैं। तो क्या दिखाया गया है कि एक पति जिसको हल्का सा गुस्सा आ गया, उसने सबके सामने अपने पत्नी पर हाथ उठा दिया, जो कि गलत है। हम एक पुरुष प्रधान देश में रहते हैं, वी लिव इन अ मेल डोमिनेटेड सोसाइटी, जहां पर पुरुषों से कोई सवाल नहीं किया जाता, सिर्फ सवाल महिलाओं से किया जाता है कि तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया, वैसा क्यों किया। हमें ये बदलना होगा। अरे उल्टा मैं आपसे सवाल करूं कि कल को अगर कोई पत्नी अपने पति को ऐसे ही सबके सामने तमाचा मार दे तो हमारा समाज क्या कहेगा? हमारा समाज उस जो पत्नी है उस पर सवाल उठाएगा, बोलेगा कि कितनी खराब है ये, उसको संस्कार नहीं है, पति तो भगवान होता है और भगवान पे हाथ नहीं उठाया जाता। उसे उस बात की माफी मांगनी चाहिए अपने पति से। पुरुषों से कोई सवाल नहीं किया जाएगा। हम भारत का भविष्य हैं, वी आर द यूथ ऑफ इंडिया। हम पर ये जिम्मेदारी है कि हम भारत को आगे लेकर जाए, नया भारत बनाए और जो भी भारत में कुरीतियां हैं उसे नष्ट करे, और ये हमारे भारत की कुरीति है। चलिए 2 मिनट के लिए आपकी बात मान भी ले कि एक ही तो थप्पड़ मारा था, क्या हो गया? तो क्या आप ये लिख के दे सकती हैं कि आज एक मारा है तो कल 2 नहीं मारेगा, परसों 3 नहीं मारेगा, और ये वो अपनी आदत नहीं बना लेगा? या जीवन में एक ही बार उसको टेंशन होगा, जब टेंशन होगा तब वो थप्पड़ मारेगा, जो कि सरासर गलत है। और इसके बाद हम समाज में इससे क्या संदेश देना चाहते हैं कि जब भी किसी पति को गुस्सा आए वो अपने पत्नी को थप्पड़ मार दे और हम यहाँ पर बैठ के उसको जस्टिफाई करें, ये सरासर गलत है, ये रुकना चाहिए। और ना किसी मर्द को ये अधिकार है कि वो अपनी पत्नी को थप्पड़ मारे, ना किसी पत्नी को अधिकार है वो अपने पति को थप्पड़ मारे। जब हमारा संविधान बन रहा था तब हमारे संविधान जो बना रहे थे हमारे डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब आम्बेडकर, उन्होंने क्लॉज 15A ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में क्या लिखा, आर्टिकल 15 क्लॉज 1 ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, कि anyone can't be discriminated on the basis of gender। मर्द और स्त्री एक है, दोनों में बराबरी का अधिकार होना चाहिए। और अगर अब भी आपको यही लगता है कि ये छोटी सी बात है तो मैं आपको बता दूं, तो आपको यह नारा बुलंद करना चाहिए, हाथ उठाओ, टेंशन भगाओ और बेटी पढ़ाओ बेटी बचाओ को भूल जाओ। थैंक यू।
Exactly. Tushar, wow, the points were excellent. We enjoyed your debate so much. So coming towards the rebuttal, Priyanka,
Are you ready, Priyanka?
no, I don't think she is. Priyanka,
Looks like she's disconnected.
yeah, ma'am, I also think the same. Just a minute, I'll call.
Okay, she's joined us, Sanjana. Priyanka, are you there?
Till then, can we take Tushar points?
I think we can.
Joined. She has joined.
Or let's wait for Priyanka.
No, she has joined. Priyanka, unmute.
Sorry.
Priyanka, you can keep your video on. Unmute yourself and speak.
Sorry, it was connected to. Am I audible?
Yeah, Priyanka, you are audible. Are you ready? Should we start? Priyanka? Priyanka, your voice is cracking.
Audible now?
Not very clear, Priyanka.
So shall we take Tushar's point of view till then?
Okay, Priyanka, you have your network issue solved. Till then, we'll have Tushar's point first. So, Tushar, are you ready?
Yes.
Arsa?
I will have a question.
You don't have to questions. You just have to cross the points of Priyanka. Arsa, wait.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So,
Tushar,
is she ready? Is she ready?
Yeah, I am ready. I'm ready. You can start. Yep. Go on.
तो जैसे कि आपने बोला कि एक थप्पड़ की वजह से डाइवोर्स नहीं देना चाहिए, तो मैं यही पूछना चाहूंगा कि आप लिख के दे दो ना कि आज एक मारा है तो कल नहीं मारेगा, और ये उसकी आदत नहीं बन जाएगी। भारत में 35% डाइवोर्स सिर्फ इसीलिए होते हैं कि पति पत्नी पर हाथ उठाता है, और शुरुआत एक ही थप्पड़ से होती है। मैं आपको बता दूं, तो आप मेरे को लिख के दे दो कि ये दूसरी बार नहीं होगा, तीसरी बार नहीं होगा, मैं आपकी बात मानने के लिए तैयार हूँ। थैंक यू।
Okay. Priyanka, are you ready? Priyanka?
आपका वीडियो ऑफ कर दीजिए आप एंड देन यू कैन जस्ट मतलब वॉइस ऑफ ऑन रखिए तो बहुत आराम से हो जाएगा.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, Priyanka, you are
Hello.
audible. Yeah, Priyanka, you are audible.
I will cross on one point that he said that लिख के दे दो कैसे तो देखो कॉलेज के साथ तो एक थप्पड़ के बाद वो लड़की होगी ऑफकोर्स हुई होगी वो ऑफकोर्स लेकिन फिर पति पत्नी के बाद एक आउट कर सकते हैं कि हाँ मैं गुस्से में था. पति अगर एक्सेप्ट कर लेता कि हाँ मैं गुस्से में था उन पे हाथ उठा दिया तो फिर किसी को भी सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलता कि हाँ दैट ही हैज रियलाइज्ड हिज मिस्टेक. बट मॉरेज के साथ मैं नहीं हूँ लेकिन अगर हम चाहते हैं एक थप्पड़ के बाद चांस देना चाहिए हस्बैंड को.
She gone?
Yeah, ma'am, I think the network is again loose.
As it is, the time is up.
Yeah, okay. So, ma'am, should I move forward?
Yeah, actually, sir's busy yet. Lanjewar sir, our chief guest. So he has asked us to continue the program.
Okay. So this was a wonderful debate. Every participant has very well put up their points. So now it's the time to listen to our judges. So I request Deep Gajbe sir to kindly enlighten us.
Do I need to say something? I don't know. Very honestly, because every single participant is so intelligent and everybody has put their point very well. I really enjoyed the first time this kind of debate. That to be the such intelligent people, those who are here, all the doctors and like BDS and MBBS students are there. I believe it's just amazing, and certainly I want to speak with Smita ma'am for the further proceedings. That is only the things which I can say. Once again, like it's amazing and pleasure time with the JCI Medico. Always, Sanjana, very happy to see you. Always, you're growing like anything. I can see that one of the best dentists of India in front of me, you know, and not only the dentist of India, but the oratory dentist of India, जिसका इतनी छोटी सी उम्र में इतने अच्छे अच्छे झंडे गाड़ रहे हो आप. Amazing presidentialship of yours of Junior Jesse Sanjana Agrawal. Certainly, मतलब always be happy with my co-ZGB ma'am. Always rock star Smita ma'am. She always guides us a lot. And huge desperate programmer of JCI Zone 9, Dr. Swati ma'am, program के ऊपर program करते रहे. I believe it's a university of program. हमको नाम change कर देना चाहिए आपका. So thank you very much to be with again in JCI Medico. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Now I request Smita Pakmode ma'am to kindly say some words.
Thank you, Sanjana, for this opportunity. Respected my ZGB colleague, Deep Gajbe sir. He's a national trainer. उनके सामने बोलना में मुझे थोड़ा डर लगता है. Then most versatile and dynamic president of JCI नागपुर मेडिको. वो लॉकडाउन में ही लॉक नहीं हुए, बट उल्टा उनका पोटेंशियल शायद अनलॉक हो गया. And Sanjana, I am seeing you from I think last year, and you are really growing in very versatile manner, and I think you are shining everywhere, not only in the this JCI but even in the academic front. और even मैं मेरे बच्चों को तुम्हारे examples देती हूँ कि look, it's a being socially activity doesn't harm your academic performance, and so that's exemplary thing for us, and other members are also growing same with you. Now, coming to the debates, I would like to congratulate you and Swati ma'am for choosing such a wonderful topics, because where lockdown and e-learning they are going for the practical purpose, but thappad and thappad itni si baat hai, it was for the testing emotional intelligence. So congratulate to you for choosing such a wonderful topics where you can test participant at every front. And मुझे लगता है what I want to share for the participant is like debate is such a platform where you have to put your points with firmness, but same time you have to maintain dignity of the dais. And I think this is the skill which every one of us should nurture in ourselves, because when we have to live in this competitive world, there are the differences. There are differences with your seniors, sometimes with your colleagues, even in the family. But how to deal with the differences, how to do this conflict management. So this debate is a practical tutorial for this. And I think such competition should be conducted regularly so that this quality can be nurtured in our young generation. And every one of you, you have prepared very well and you presented very well. थोड़ी सी चीजें मुझे लगा कि जैसे एक presentation करके I had got a point to give on that presentation. So thoda whenever you are coming online and when you are even talking or you are presenting something, please don't go so casual. Thoda sa see that whether your camera is working properly or not. Your seen, I think upper half of the body should be seen with your hand, then only we can guess or judge your body language and in that form. So every one of you was wonderful. मैं तो वैसे ही आप लोगों को पढ़ाते ही आई हूँ since for first year. So it's like revisiting you in different platform, and I enjoyed it completely. And thank you so much for calling me here as a judge. And you are a wonderful people, and keep growing, keep participating. Look, winning and losing doesn't matter, but what you get out of this participation is upgradation of yourself, making yourself excellent in the different skills. And every time when you participate, you progress, you make progress, you improve yourself. So keep participating, and please don't lose heart if your results are not up to your wish, but with participation is important. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Smita ma'am, for your inspiring and motivating words. They always motivate us a lot from our first year. I recognize the presence of Zone Secretary Kiran ma'am. We welcome you, ma'am. Thank you for gracing the occasion. I think our chief guest is also joining. Welcome, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Sir, you are mute.
Thank you, madam.
So sorry, we just finished with the debates actually, and
okay.
Yeah. But thanks a lot, sir, for joining. Over to you, Sanjana.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. So to introduce sir, I request JC Project Secretary JC Astha Jatar to kindly introduce our today's chief guest ZVP JC Nilesh Lanjewar, sir. Over to you, Astha.
Yes, thank you so much, Sanjana ma'am. I'm profusely elated to take this opportunity to introduce our chief guest, His Excellency ZVP JC Nilesh Lanjewar, sir, Director of High Tech Computers, Zone 9 Vice President of JCI India 2020. He is a Secretary of Global Talent Education Council, a member of Jawaharlal Nehru College Council Development, and a well-known trainer who graduated as a national trainer in the year 2019. He has been an active member of JCI since 2015 and was awarded as an outstanding new JC member of Zone 9 for the very same year. He has served as a Director IO in 2016, VP IO in 2017, VPMO in 2018, and as a President in the year 2019. His mantra for life is simple and beautiful. Be an optimist. Have a positive attitude with self-confidence. That is the key of success. A very, very warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Astha, for the wonderful introduction of sir. Hearty welcome, sir. We are honored to have you with us. Now, I request you, sir, to kindly enlighten us.
Yeah, thank you, Sanjana ji. Today's chairperson.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today's chairperson, Sanjana ji, president of JC Nagpur Medico, very vibrant president, Dr. Swati Sarda ma'am. Judges of this debate, my colleague ZGB members, Dr. Smita ji and Deep ji. मैं बहुत मिस कर गया, काफी देर से कोशिश कर रहा था मैं कि मैं जुड़ूं और ये सारे डिबेट को सुनूं और समझूं। वाकई में काफी अच्छा डिबेट हुआ होगा, ऐसा मेरा मानना है कि आप सबके चेहरे में जब देख रहा हूं तो मुझे लग रहा है कि डिबेट बहुत अच्छा हुआ होगा और सब्जेक्ट्स भी अच्छे हैं और जिसके कारण डिबेट भी शानदार हुआ होगा। जजेस के रिव्यूज भी आए होंगे कि कैसा डिबेट रहा, लेकिन होप सो कि जो आज का प्रोग्राम था वो एक यूनिक प्रोग्राम था। और JCI नागपुर मेडिको के बारे में क्या कहूँ, जब भी ये प्रोग्राम सोचते हैं ना कुछ यूनिक ही सोचते हैं। पूरी टीम मतलब लाजवाब टीम है JCI नागपुर मेडिको और प्रेसिडेंट कि जब भी आप कुछ सोचते हो ना तो एकदम बियॉन्ड द हॉरिजन सोचते हो आप लोग, मतलब एकदम क्षितिज के उस पार क्या है उसके बारे में सोच करके आप इवेंट प्लान करते हो। सो मैं एक्साइटेड रहता हूँ हमेशा आपके इवेंट में जुड़ने के लिए, क्योंकि इतने यूनिक इवेंट होते हैं कि जुड़ करके वाकई में बहुत मजा आता है। और आज का डिबेट भी बहुत शानदार हुआ होगा। मैं मिस कर गया, लेकिन जो भी विनर्स अभी डिक्लेयर हुए नहीं हुए आई डोंट नो, लेकिन जो भी विनर्स होंगे उनको ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं और बाकी सबको उनके डिबेट्स के पॉइंट्स के लिए उनको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं कि उन्होंने अपना प्रेजेंस बहुत बेहतर तरीके से दिया है और अपना इन्वॉल्वमेंट दिया है, जिसके लिए उनको भी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी इन दिस टुडेज डिबेट competition. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your enlightening words. I request if any of the participants would like to share their views for today's session. Any one of the participants?
I think Priyanka didn't get much chance. Priyanka, would you like to speak? Your this thing is solved. Net issue.
Hello.
Yeah.
It was really nice being as a participant of this debate. I really felt good, and the competitors are really well. And I should try that I will participate next time also, because the confidence of participants it increases as he or she participates in every competition. So I appreciate the efforts of Sanjana also. Thank you.
Thank you. For the result, Meeta ma'am and Deep sir, you will send the sheets to Swati ma'am in WhatsApp. Will that be fine?
I think Deep sir has said that he'll discuss with Smita ma'am. He'll let us know. Isn't it, sir?
Okay, ma'am. So all the participants very soon will let you know with the result in day 1 or 2. So I hope you all have enjoyed the today's session, and it was very, very amazing to hear you all. You all participants were so well prepared. Now, Astha?
I'm sorry, I think I had some technical issue. Sorry, I could not get the last 30 seconds. I'm so sorry.
I said I request Project Secretary JC Astha Jattar to kindly give the formal vote of thanks.
Thank you, and please pardon me for the technical snack. Thank you, Sanjana ma'am. Well, first of all, I'd like to thank our chief guest for today, ZVP JC Nilesh Lanjewar sir. Thank you so much for your gracious presence. And of course, Kiran ma'am for motivating us. Mostly, this program would not have been a success without our awesome judges, JC Dr. Smita Pakmore ma'am and JC Deep Gajbhai sir. Thank you so much for your time and your patience. Next off, I'd like to thank our dynamic duo, JC Dr. Swati Sarda ma'am, and of course, JC Sanjana Agrawal ma'am. You all are awesome, and thank you so much for organizing this fiery debate. And of course, the enthusiastic participants. Anusha, Pragati, Shreyas, Aditi, and Priyanka. And of course, Tushar sir, man, I mean, that was like some really good debate. I really liked your point of view, sir. I hope people like you in India are still there. And everyone was simply awesome. Congratulations to all the participants. And last but not the least, all of the viewers, thank you so much for patiently watching. Well, thank you.
So
Just before wrapping up, we have our birthday boy for today.
yes, ma'am, I was just about to say that.
Ayush, put on your video so that we can wish you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ayush.
Sir, I would like to
Ayush.
yeah, and Lanjavar sir, it's his birthday and he's our secretary, junior JC secretary, Ayush Bangadia.
Ayush Bhag. Where is he? He's not there. Video on nahi uska.
There.
I'm video on here.
There.
He has.
And pin his video. Happy birthday, Ayush.
Ayush, happy birthday. Our audio is off.
Acha, he cannot unmute. Okay.
So, Swati ma'am, should I conclude?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Happy birthday once again.
Thank you, ma'am.
So I would like to take the opportunity to conclude the program. I thank everyone for joining the session and making them success. All the participants, you were amazing. Thank you. So this program is ended. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.